Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sounds and vibration. Here we can scroll down again to find this ringtones category, ringtones section again, and simply tap on phone ringtone at the top. Now, of course, give all the permissions it needs, and now at the top we've got SIM1 and SIM2. Basically, we can set a completely different ringtone for the first one and completely different for another one, so we will be able to recognize from which SIM this contact is calling, which is quite nice. I would say it's quite useful. Right here, so let me change the phone ringtone for the first SIM card. As you can see, it is highlighted, it is also underlined, so we will change the ringtone for the first SIM card. Right here, we've got the list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. We've got, I would say, quite a lot of options to choose from. At the very bottom, we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And on the other hand, right here at the top, let's say, we've got music on device or video ringtones. And basically, if you will enter a specific option, you should be able to find your own files. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded and it is compatible, then it should appear somewhere here and you should be able to set it as a ringtone. So let me choose something from pre-installed ringtones. If you'd like to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So I'll choose maybe Breathe Freely. So just tap and let me volume it down. We don't need it to be that loud, and basically this is how it works. So just tap on the specific option and decide whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I'd like to set maybe Dream as my ringtone. So just tap on it, make sure that it is marked, and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, and it basically means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.